guys, it's H2O. What's up, you guys? It's Golden Farm. Sniffles! Sniffles! I have the sniffles, you guys. Yes, sir. I'm just seeing what I'm gonna be doing today. We are going to my sister's place, so that's gonna be so much fun and exciting. Get to see my niece. I'm just gonna hang out today with them, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So that's there you go. We are gonna just hang out and just relax. I don't know what we're gonna do yet. Who knows? So I have to nab on my mask just in case if we go somewhere. Just in case if we go somewhere, I do not know. If we're going somewhere, I do not know. So I need to pack my mask. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when we get the mask.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel.
It's Go Dogs for One.
So right now, you guys, we are at my sister's place, so that's what we are doing. So right now we are playing Trabella, you guys. So right now, you guys, we are in a tornado warning. That's not gonna good, you guys. So that's what we might have to go underground to protect ourselves. I don't know what's going on. My dad we just got a text message saying that it's a warning, so it's maybe possible coming, maybe not, either, never know. So that's what's going on right now, and we are watching the skies to see what's going on. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are making some tuna melts. So right now, you guys, we are just heading home, so that's what we're doing. So I just got home, you guys. I'm just relaxing now, you guys. I'm just gonna be just chillaxing. I got some groceries to put away, you guys. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So it's gonna be fun and exciting that we get to do like that. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna also do some dishes, clean up some dishes, because that's kind of part of life, really. You have to sometimes do dishes, even if you don't feel like doing dishes sometimes. But that's part of life, you guys, doing dishes. I'm doing dishes once in a while. It's really good. So I'm just gonna do some dishes. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I put my groceries away. Right now, you guys, I'm just doing dishes, so that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I do dishes. So I'm getting tired, you guys, so I'm getting today's video, so I'll talk to you guys tomorrow with a brand new video. Goodbye.